Hello and welcome to our 7-minute tutorial on how to make your lips pink and beautiful. In this video, we will share with you some tips and tricks to help you achieve soft, supple, and naturally pink lips. So, let's get started. Step 1. Exfoliate your lips. The first step to achieving beautiful, pink lips is to exfoliate them. This will help to remove any dead skin cells and promote blood circulation to the lips, making them look fuller and more vibrant. You can use a lip scrub or a homemade mixture of sugar and honey to gently massage your lips. Rinse it off with warm water after a minute or two. Step 2. Hydrate your lips. The next step is to hydrate your lips. Use a lip balm or a natural oil like coconut oil or almond oil to moisturize your lips. This will help to keep your lips soft and supple. Make sure to apply a generous amount and reapply throughout the day. Step 3. Apply a lip mask. If your lips are particularly dry or chapped, applying a lip mask can be beneficial. You can use a store-bought mask or make one at home using natural ingredients like honey, yogurt, or avocado. Apply the mask to your lips and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Step 4. Use a lip primer. A lip primer can help to create a smooth base for your lipstick and prevent it from feathering or bleeding. Apply a small amount of primer to your lips and let it dry before applying lipstick. Step 5. Choose a pink lipstick. When it comes to choosing a lipstick, opt for shades of pink that complement your skin tone. You can go for a bold, bright pink or a subtle, nude pink, depending on your preference. Apply the lipstick to your lips and use a lip brush to blend it evenly. Step 6. Add lip gloss. For an extra pop of shine and moisture, add a layer of lip gloss on top of your lipstick. This will help to make your lips look fuller and more luscious. Choose a clear or pink gloss and apply it to the center of your lips, blending it outwards. Step 7. Maintain your lip care routine. To maintain your beautiful, pink lips, make sure to follow a regular lip care routine. This includes exfoliating, moisturizing, and protecting your lips from the sun and harsh weather conditions. Avoid licking your lips, as this can dry them out and cause chapping. Conclusion. There you have it, our 7-minute tutorial on how to make your lips pink and beautiful. By following these simple steps, you can achieve soft, supple, and naturally pink lips that are sure to turn heads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.